We have this rounded tub that is a question on how to do it. So what I've done, how do we get support under it, is I went ahead and gave myself a lot of extra because I want to kind of go at an angle like so. So I told him like 32-inch board, and this is what this is. And then I'm going to, some of it's going to end up going underneath, say that area. So I lay it up there, and then I reach under. And mark it with a pencil. In this case, I messed up. Flip that over. Because I want that all the way to that corner. Yeah. Corner to corner. Mark underneath. Someone will say, no, don't do that. There's our angle. So he'll cut there and there, and we'll put screws into it, and that'll be support that it never had before.